Hello, my name is Barb, Barbara.Balcom RV. Thanks so much for tuning in with us today. I'm going to talk with you about a really nice trailer, easy to tow, great finish. It's a Heartland North Trail 21 RBSS. This trailer is such a nice unit. You know, a lot of times I'm looking for a lot in a little, and this trailer sure has it. It has a barrel roof. It has it's endorsed by Yeti. It has a super thick, very dense insulation factor. It's got a great little sofa here that looks right at the entertainment center. Beautiful range and oven. Great big sink. Great big bathroom. It's a perfect couples trailer. Hey you guys, thanks so much for spending the time with me today. This is a really nice trailer. I hope you liked it as well as I do. This is a good trailer because you can take it anywhere. It's got everything that you need in one small package. So a small footprint and a good time. Call me please. I'm at 541-521-4232 and my name is Barb, Barbara.Balcom.